What if bio-based materials could harness the scalability of the plastics industry? Imagine the impact. At Rheom Materials, we empower a sustainable future, providing innovative, bio-based materials that seamlessly replace fossil fuel-based plastics. By combining earth-derived ingredients and melt extrusion technology, we create bio-based materials at the pace of consumer demand. From Shorai's roll-to-roll production to Benree's drop-in ability for injection molding and 3D printing. Designed to biodegrade at their end of life, our materials mimic the utility of their counterparts without the carbon impact. Together, let's create a world where ethical, sustainable materials are accessible to all. Change your impact, not your life. With Rheom Materials.